Hello there, this is Craig Hain, and my students call me Dr. Dell. And this video is going to be on the topic of math failure to math success, the secret. Now, the first question would be, well, what is math success? What does that even mean? Well, here's what it means to me. Life presents you with a math problem that you need to solve. And this requires understanding certain math concepts and mastering certain math tools. Now, if you can solve this problem, that's what I call success. And if you can't solve it, that's what I call failure. So that's bottom line is that's how I define it. Now, let me give you an example of how this might apply. Here's a very simple, practical math problem that might come up in many different technical situations. Triangles are one of the most important geometric things that we use in all sorts of technical subjects. And so let's suppose you've got a triangle and the sides measure 8.2 feet, 9.7 feet, and 14.3 feet. Okay. Now your problem is to find the area of this triangle and also to find the value of all three of its angles. This is what you have to do in this technical problem. So that's the problem. Now, success for this problem will require understanding certain math concepts, the idea of triangle and angles and area, and mastery of certain math tools. Now, with what we call and what I'm calling our Magic Carpet Math program, which is a 6-tier program, a post-elementary math student will learn how to solve this particular problem along with a lot of other practical problems too in less than a year. Using a scientific calculator, we use the TI-30XA, which is a very, very good scientific calculator, costs less than $10, and concepts from practical algebra and geometry and trigonometry, mind you, in less than a year. Now, to see how this is done, this Magic Carpet Math, you can go to triadmathinc.com/MCM, this link right here. And by the way, there'll be a PDF of this, what I'm doing in this video that you can download. It'll be associated with this video, so you can link on that. And you're going to get more information now about how modern 21st century technologies can empower all of your school students to become math successes. And that's highly unusual today. And as you very well know, in most math programs, because to me, a success is when a student can solve any kind of a problem that they need to learn to solve, that they want to learn to solve. And so that's what this is all about. Now, we can have a Zoom call anytime with your school leaders if you want to talk to me about this, to discuss your situation and what the possibilities are. I strongly urge you to go and learn about the Magic Carpet Math program. This is my contact information. I have a PhD in mathematics. I've been teaching math for many, many decades at all levels. As you'll probably know, you can go to my website, craighain.com, and learn all about me. My vita's there, my story's there, lots of information there. And by the way, now, as a PS to this, the answer to the problem I gave you up above was 38.3 square feet is the area. And the three angles are 40.8 degrees, 33.5 degrees, and 105.7 degrees. Now, the facts are, it took me less than 2 minutes to solve this basic practical problem with this TI-30XA scientific calculator. In fact, I did it twice, 2 different ways to be sure that I hadn't made a mistake. That's what I always teach students to do, is to check your work. And that's what Magic Carpet Math's all about. Any student that goes through this in less than a year will be able to solve this and lots of other practical problems. In fact, an even better example that they're going to learn to do is what I call Archimedes' tombstone. That's an example that's even better than this, that they'll be learning in this Magic Carpet program in the first 2 tiers of our 6-tier program. So this is Craig Hain. I hope that you enjoyed this and you're getting the idea behind it. Math today with modern technologies is so much easier to teach than it used to be. And the Magic Carpet Math explains all that. So go to that if you haven't studied that already, and watch my 7-minute video there, or read the PDF, and then contact me and we'll see how we can work with your school to help you achieve all these things. Okay. So this is Craig Hain, and I thank you for watching the video, and hopefully we'll have a Zoom meeting soon and talk about your school and your students and your situation. Bye-bye.